Today we bring you another Arabic recipe, Baba Ghanoush, or roasted aubergine dip. And we are going to need aubergine, paprika, cumin, cayenne, black pepper and salt, tahini, sesame seed paste, garlic, lemon juice, olive oil and yogurt, which is not in the original recipe, but I like to add into my version of the Baba Ghanoush. And some fresh parsley to finish. The first step of our preparation is putting the aubergine to roast on the barbecue. This is just one of the different ways to roast them. You can also place the aubergines on an oven tray and roast them at 200 Celsius degrees, turning them over so they roast everywhere. Take the aubergine out of the oven or barbecue when ready. Let them cool for a bit and peel them. You can throw away the black skin. Now we can put it in a bowl and a pinch of salt. Garlic. And with a potato smasher or even a fork, crush the mix all together. As I always say, try and cook by eye, but if you have any doubt with the quantities, all the details are in the video description. Once it is minced, add the cumin to taste. This is another addition of my own, different from the original Baba Ghanoush. Some black pepper, paprika, cayenne, now the tahini or sesame seed paste, and start stirring. Pour a splash of olive oil. Incorporate slowly and keep whipping up the mix. And keep mixing and rowing it with the olive oil and the lemon juice. It is just like a mayonnaise, and it will grow as you add the ingredients.
A medida que vamos haciendo esto, va creciendo es exactamente como si fuera una mayonesa. La receta original, como lo dije en los ingredientes, no lleva esto.
I like to add Greek-style yogurt. This is how I learned how to do it. and it brings a great acid contrast to the smoked flavor of the aubergines.
El yogur que le he puesto a esta receta es yogur griego natural.
And last but not least, add some fresh parsley.
Picado fresco. Ya tenemos listo el baba. Esto lo vamos a poner en un envase, puede ser en el mismo bol si tenéis espacio, y lo vamos a dejar reposar en la nevera con papel film, papel plástico transparente, para que se compacte un poco la nevera un par de horas.
Now we need to leave to rest into the fridge. Cover with kitchen foil for 2 hours more. Try and put the foil somewhere is not air touching the Baba Ghanoush and it gets compact. Past 2 hours, this is a texture we were looking for. Decorate with fresh parsley, paprika and olive oil. We just finished our ℻𝕒𝕕𝕾 cheese. So we are going to use this oil and enjoy this Baba Ghanoush. Subscribe for more.